Welcome to our quick guide on mastering the AI code generator. To start, click on AI code from the sidebar. Begin by selecting your desired programming language. Whether you're working with Python, JavaScript, PHP, or any other popular language, the choice is yours to best suit your project's requirements. In the Provide Instructions box, describe the code or function you want to create. Be as detailed and precise as possible. Next, choose your AI model available to tailor the generation process according to your needs and preferences. When you're ready, click Generate Code. Instantly, the AI will process your instructions and return working code, crafted specifically based on your description. This feature not only saves time, but also accelerates your development process, helping you focus on building and innovating. Embrace AI Code Generator and watch how it transforms your development journey, turning ideas into reality with just a few clicks.